Okay, today we want to integrate Calibre into Virtuoso ICAD VM or Virtuoso. So before we perform this operation, we needed to extract and create a new library file. So first, I want to introduce how to extract TSMC N16 ADFP tab file. TSMC N16 is an advanced process design kit provided by TSMC. It is used for academic only, and only some universities is licensed to use it. NSYSU is one of them. You can go to TSI website. You can see that only 11 universities have the permission to use ADFP. So you should be grateful. 你们应该感到很高兴啊，是中山大学，当中山大学学生可以用这么先进的制程啊，连南台都没有，我也不想去申请。每次去申请这种东西哦，这个没有管好的话，到时候被告哦。NSYSU is one of them. In order to use this advanced process design kit, you need to extract to your home directory. So you need to remember that this is your normal user permission, not root. So you can type TARXVA Okay, you need to type this command and extract this to your home directory. So we can type enter. Then it will extract all files to your N16 ADFP IPDK directory. Then you can go to, please follow my step to create a new library. First, please type cd N16 ADFP IPDK. Here, and you can source opt eda /rc ICAD VM source opt eda /rc ICAD VM, enter. Then you can type Virtuoso source ICAD VM. Then you can type Virtuoso. You can type Virtuoso first. Then you need to verify this is actually ICAD VM. You see ICAD VM here, not Virtuoso 6.18 350, right? 618.350嘛，我们装的 Virtuoso 普通版是 6.18.350 版嘛，对吧？我没讲错吧？哦，这个是 ICAD VM，OK？ Then you need to use tools, library manager. There is, you can verify that there is a TSMC M16 here, library here. Then you can create a new library. Then you can create ADFP 2025. Then okay. Okay, we can use attach to an existing technology library because we want to attach this. Then select OK, then we select this. Okay? Then it will create a new library for you. 它会帮你建新的元件库。这里的 library 是翻成元件库，不是函式库。C 里面的那个 library 才翻译成函式库。这里面都是电路，都是电子元件，所以这个翻译成中文要翻成元件库。还知不 ？Okay, so you can see that we have ADFP 2025 here. Then you can select this. You can select a file, new, cell view. We can select this and create an inverter. But this time, we don't create a schematic. We can create a layout directory and click OK. Then click session. Okay. Now, if you take a look of this window, there is no Calibre here. So we can find a new library. 再做一个吧 ADFP 2025A using attached to an existing 我把这张图列起来好啊。等一下哈。Now using attached to an existing technology library. Using attach. Test 好吧，写 test run 好了。So there is no menu. There is no category in the menu list. We need to modify that. We need to ICAD VM first. 好，那现在做到这边，请你先退出来。你现在有开新的元件库了嘛？对不对？你现在是不是有开一个 inverter 的 layout 了？但是上面没有那个 category 嘛，对不对？那很简单哈，我们就先退出来。好，这个做到这边，请各位跟上我的进度。那待会呢，我们要来做这个 later. We want to integrate category into Virtuoso ICAD VM and test run again. OK？ 那这个待会你 Virtuoso 那个界面看到 category， 我所有的流程 ，forecast and flow 所有流程就已经讲完了。剩的我们在电竞点这里料了，看你们要不要继续教。如果不继续教，剩下的时间给你们练习，下礼拜上机考。